So I just took the train, 45k from my home, and now I will make the humble run back. I planned that it will take 6 hours. I hope that will be quite accurate. It will be a long, slow run alongside this trekking route called GÖTALEDEN. Gonna be a nice one. Gonna try to split it up in 5 pieces, 4 pieces of 10k and 1 piece of 4 or 5k. Gonna be nice to have a point to point. No circle, no laps, just a point to point. A lot of beautiful walks. I think we're about 37k in, so that's quite the distance. Plus 5k I did to the train 20 minutes before start of the actual run, so that's a total of 42 kilometers so far. I had great energy. I ate 4 sandwiches with butter on them like an hour ago. That felt really nice for the stomach. So more solid food earlier in the run, I would say. It was great to the stomach, to my stomach at least. I have started to recognize myself in the area for about 40 minutes ago. That is really inspiring, because I know it's not that long to go. My water has been empty for quite a while. I'm really thirsty, but hopefully I will be able to get water soon, because I still have about an hour left. I feel energized. My body feels good. I've never been this energized with this many kilometers in my legs, but I've been taking it slow and also been listening more to my stomach, I would say, than I usually do, and that has also given me an advantage today. That is hopefully something I will bring with me for later experiences. Hey.